Vantage Partners is proud to be a platinum sponsor of the ASAP Biopharma Conference and to participate in the first fully virtual conference for biopharma strategic alliance professionals. While we will miss seeing you all in person, we look forward to participating in the wonderful program ASAP has assembled and engaging with all of you virtually during and following the event. From our headquarters in Boston and through staff around the globe, Vantage Partners provides consulting and training services to companies worldwide across a wide range of industries. Through our consulting services, we help companies solve critical business challenges, especially ones that require crossing industry boundaries, navigating complex business ecosystems, or striking an artful balance between competition and collaboration, and sometimes all of the above. To receive Vantage's alliance and partnering insights, reach us at this link or use the QR code on the screen.